Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I am going to be giving you guys another Geritol update, but today's video is going to be Geritol versus Floradix. So these are both iron supplements.
Disclaimer, please consult your doctor before taking any type of iron supplements. You may not need to take iron supplements. I take them and they've been great for my life because I always suffered from low iron. But if you do not have that problem, you do not need to take it.
And I've been getting recommendations in like every single Geritol video that I do to try Floradix. I think I'm pronouncing it right. So I was excited to try it. We're going to go over like some of the differences between both supplements, some of the pros and some of the cons. So you can decide which one you want to try. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's dive right into it. So the main reason why I wanted to try Floradix is because Geritol does have a lot of added sugars. So a lot of people were saying like it's way too many added sugars in Geritol, and I definitely agree with that. It has 14% added sugar in Geritol. So that's a lot. That's a lot of added sugar versus the Floradix, which has 3%. Right off the bat, comparing the two, this bottle is a glass bottle. This is a plastic bottle. So this is a lot heavier, and this is double the price. So yeah.
Currently on Amazon, the Floradix is an 8.5 fluid ounce bottle for $22, and the Geritol, liquid Geritol, is $9.49 for a 12 ounce bottle.
So yeah, Floradix is double the price of Geritol. I got this on Amazon for like $22, and this was like $10 normally. So when comparing the ingredients, they're very similar. They have the same ingredients. They're basically the same thing, honestly, but this has less added sugar. Ingredients are very similar, but I did notice that the Floradix has more natural ingredients and herbs in it. So this has carrot root, stinging needle, hibiscus flower, I can't see, I need glasses, wheat germ extract. It has a lot of great ingredients versus the Geritol. I don't see, it doesn't have any herbs in here at all. So yeah. So honestly, I think it's just a preference thing. I do think the Floradix is the healthier option, and you know, I'm trying to be as healthy as I can possibly be. So I took Geritol for all of January of this year, and I think I finished the bottle. This is an empty bottle. I finished the bottle like towards the beginning of February, and then I started the Floradix like mid to late February. So I have been taking the Floradix, and to be honest with you, I do find it a little bit more difficult to take because I have to take the Floradix twice a day versus the Geritol, which I only take once a day. So it is something that I had to, you know, kind of switch like, you know, my routine up. But I do find that the Floradix tastes a lot better than the Geritol. And y'all know, like the Geritol, and it's crazy because to have that much added sugar in it and for it to still taste disgusting, I'm confused. I am confused. But this tastes a lot better. It's a lot easier to swallow. It's just, I just enjoy the taste better. You know what I mean? Like, it just tastes better to me. To me. Now, if you've tried both of them, let me know down below in the comment section what do you think tastes better. But I personally think this one tastes better. As far as like my energy levels and stuff, I feel like my energy is just through the roof. Like, I feel like it's the same thing as taking Geritol, like honestly. And as far as like hair growth and stuff, my hair has been growing everywhere rapidly as well on the Floradix. So it's virtually like very similar. So I cut off most fast foods and like added sugars and stuff like that. So I really think that it was just necessary for me to do that with my supplement intake as well. So that's why I decided to try this for a month, and I'm going to continue to try it and let you guys know like my thoughts on it and stuff like that. But so far so good. I definitely am loving that this tastes way better than the Geritol. I literally don't even have to chase the Floradix with anything like I did the Geritol. Like, I used to have to always chase the Geritol with freaking orange juice and stuff like that. Like, y'all, like I couldn't. But yeah, that is my update. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. Will you try the Floradix? If I've been pronouncing it wrong this whole entire time, please forgive me. But yeah, we have restocked a lot of our best sellers on MiriamHampton.com. So head over to MiriamHampton.com. You can get 25% off if you use the code YouTubeFam. And I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so the notifications come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton. I will see you guys next time. Bye.